I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which cloud service holds your photos and signing in. Make sure backup and sync is enabled. Once signed in, open the Photos app or web portal and grant any requested permissions so thumbnails load. If you use multiple accounts, switch profiles now to avoid missing files. Make sure storage isn't full, because sync can pause when space is exhausted. This step gets your device and account ready so searches and filters work reliably. You'll now narrow results using search and filters. Type a date range, a location, or a person's name to surface matches faster. Once results appear, apply secondary filters like file type, album, starred items, or recently deleted to reduce noise. If photos were taken on another device, inspect device folders and shared albums because automatic organization can split items across collections. Make sure to expand, show more, or use advanced search operators to capture edited or converted. You finish by restoring any trashed or archived photos, then downloading originals or exporting folders for a local backup. Once done, organize recovered images into named albums so they're easy to find next time, and set scheduled exports if you want periodic local copies. If recovery fails, check account activity and sync logs to identify mismatched accounts or paused uploads. One troubleshooting tip: if items aren't appearing, sign out and back. Clear cache and retrigger a full sync to force reconciliation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.